Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Cornerstone. We're a whole home service provider offering AC, plumbing, and electrical services in the great Tampa Bay area. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 2 challenging tasks an air conditioner technician has on the job and the solutions they come up with to solve it. Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel where we bring you all the behind the scenes action and fascinating insights into the world of air conditioning maintenance. Today, we're tackling a topic that often gets overlooked, the challenging task an air conditioner technician faces on a daily basis. Trust me, this video is going to leave you amazed at the sheer skill and determination that our professional technicians have to keep our air conditioners running smoothly. Picture this, you come home after a long day looking forward to a comforting breeze of your air conditioner, only to find it's not working. That's when you call in the experts. Our technicians often faced with the daunting tasks of troubleshooting and repairing intricate issues with your air conditioning system. From faulty wiring, malfunctioning components, it's like navigating through a maze of complexity. But fear not, because our technicians have a secret weapon up their sleeve, their vast knowledge and experience. Now let's move to another challenging task that often keeps our technicians on their toes, AC installations. Each home is unique, and fitting the right air conditioner requires more than just the brute force. Our skilled technicians must carefully consider the factors such as room size, insulation, ductwork to ensure your system operates at its peak efficiency. It's like solving a jigsaw puzzle, matching the perfect piece to complete the picture of your home comfort. But here's the exciting part. No matter how challenging the tasks, our technicians always have a trick up their sleeve. They constantly keep themselves updated with the latest innovations in the world of air conditioning. From smart thermostats to energy efficiency models, they apply these cutting-edge technologies to overcome the obstacles that they encounter. That's the beauty of their job. They never stop learning and finding innovative solutions to keep your home cool and your energy bills low. So there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the air conditioning world by air conditioning technicians. Behind every cool breeze that comforts your home, there's a skilled professional who has conquered the complex repairs and mastered the arts of insulation. We hope this video has given you a new, unfound respect for the unsung heroes who keep our summers cool and enjoyable. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated with all things AC, remember to hit the subscribe button and join our incredible community of HVAC enthusiasts. Until next time, stay cool.